So a lot of people care a lot about volume. Don't get me wrong, volume is great. It's very helpful. But personally for me, I find myself to grow a lot better when I do lower volume. By lower volume, I mean, I would have a selection of maybe 1 to 2 exercises, and actually make it 1 to 3 exercises. And what I would do is I would do, as you just saw, I would do my warm-up set on the very first exercise, and then everything else that follows after that warm-up sets is just gonna be 2 working sets. And I would give it all the effort I can, go at least 1 to 3 reps shy of failure, take a 2 to 3 minute break, and then repeat it again. The reason why I do lower volume is because I like to lift heavy. Like, I love to lift heavy. And if I'm not getting ready for a show, even if I am getting ready for a show, I lift heavy regardless, because I just believe the heavier you lift with more tension, more intensity, and the harder you push, the bigger you're gonna get, the more you're gonna grow. So those are all things to consider. But now back to lower volume. Lower volume allows you to lift an insane amount of weight without wasting all the extra energy that you normally would if you're doing 3 to 4, maybe 5 sets. And you're not doing a lot of exercises, so you're focusing a lot more on 1 to 3 exercises, 3 main exercises that can target those specific areas that you're looking for, and then just going balls to walls, going really hard on it and hit it hard, and then just leave. Because you don't want to be in the gym for like 2 hours straight just working out, doing like 50 exercises. You want to be able to have an effective workout, spend your time wisely, hit it hard, and get out. And for me, low volume are great. They're great because of that one reason. I hit my workouts hard, I get done, I leave, get out, and I just spend the rest of the night either playing video games or eating while watching anime. So there you go. Low volume, high intensity is a great way to build a size that you're looking for. But without that, you also gotta remember, food is important. And the most important thing besides training, food, is being able to recover enough for you to train hard again the next time you come into the gym. So to sum it all off, lower your exercise selection to maybe 1 to 3 exercises, lower your volume to maybe like 1 to 2 sets per exercise with a total of like 10 to 12 sets per week per body part. Hit it hard, give it all you got, drive those intensity, make it intense, make it hard. You wanna leave the gym like you've accomplished something. You don't just wanna be like, all right, I'm at the gym, so I just did some back and yeah, I guess I'm done. So you don't want that. You wanna be like, not necessarily like beat down, but you wanna feel accomplished. You wanna go in there and be like, this is what I paid $29.99 for, to go to a gym, to work hard, get out. And I tell you, give it 2 to 3 months, you'll see pretty great progress. So yeah, and also we're at the Great Retro Fitness in Edgemont, Newtown Square. So there's that. Alright guys, in this video, I'm going to try to explain to you how to properly warm up. There's actually 2 methods on how to warm up. You can do cardio, or maybe 3. You can do cardio, you can stretch, or my personal favorite method is being able to warm up with the weights.